Have you ever wondered how the Ottawa County Road Commission determines which roads it plows following a winter storm? We follow a robust policy based upon road classifications, traffic volume, and location. This policy has been developed to provide cost-effective winter maintenance operations. The Road Commission maintains state highways under contract by the state. Winter maintenance services are performed in accordance with MDOT guidelines and directions set forth by MDOT district staff. Our next priority is multi-lane primary roads, with a goal of providing pavement surface of the through lanes that's bare of snow and ice. County primary roads have pavement that's generally bare of snow and ice in the center portion of the roadway, with sufficient width for one wheel track in each direction. On local roads, winter maintenance crews plow snow from traveled portions of the roadway with a thin cover of snow permissible. On subdivision roads, crews scrape one pass down the center of the street with a thin cover of snow permissible. On gravel roads, crews scrape and plow snow from the traveled portion of the roadway, leaving a thin cover of snow. On dead ends and cul-de-sacs, crews will scrape and plow one pass down the center of the street with a thin cover of snow permissible. For a detailed look at our winter maintenance policy and our salt management plan, visit our website, ottawacorc.com.